Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to my channel, in Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit before times of the week. So guys, I'm actually hoping that you actually good and healthy from wherever you're watching this from. So in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you guys through this free reggaeton drum kit. So it's crazy, man. Crazy sounds in here, nicely processed as always. Y'all know how we do it here at Believers Records. We always kill it. So yeah, before we move any further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, guys, let's get into this package. So it's crazy, man. There's so many goodies for you to actually look forward to here. This bass, this bass in 808. There's some claps. There's some fills here. There's some hi-hats. There's some kicks. There's a one-shot guitar. There's some percussion. There's some snares. You know, timbale and toms. Nicely processed as always. So yeah, so let's go ahead and just get straight into this. Let's not waste any more time here. So the bass. The claps. Some of the fills. All right, the hats. All right, the kicks. All right, the one-shot guitar. The percussion. All right, the snares. All right, the timbale. And lastly, the toms. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the sauce, bro. That's it for the whole package. So this is a drop. This is actually a drop, you know, drop and drag type of situation. So you don't really have to do anything unless you just want to compress or something, you know. But you know, most of the work has already, you know, been done for you. All you got to do is just make that fire beat, bro. So yeah, that's it, man. So I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up with my number. And yeah. So that's it, man. So enjoy the kit, made crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe, namaste.